possibly so open a Temu mobile app. And next thing you do at the bottom here, we have some options: home, categories, view, and cart. Tap on cart. And here you have access to your cart. As you can see, I have 41 items in my cart, so you can see them here. Also, the total amount is written out here, and then you can see the last day of checkout also over here. To manage your cart by tapping on manage cart. Decide to remove some things you don't want anymore from your cart by tapping on it. You won't delete or just tap on all. It's as simple as that. You can also share your cart by tapping on share cart, and then tap on share now. Please send it to whoever else sends you, either through message, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram. Also copy the link. You can also tap on more.